Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? In last 3 days, AMP coin price will decrease now minus 1.4% in last 3 days. But if we check out the last 24 hours, so plus 0.68%, they will get a profit. Can you believe this, my friend? In last 24 hours, they will get a profit. Yes, my brother, it's reality as you can see here. But the chart condition is not good. You can see, my friend, every coin will moving upward, but not like that. As you can see, this coin will moving in a very slowly condition. You can see every coin will moving in this circulation to after a dump they will pumps up. But here, as you can see, my friend, I found something very special now for all of you. So don't worry, my friend. I hope if they were face down for a short time and if they were moving upward for a short time, this is very slow circulation because, my friend, this is just only the short time investor. When a short time investor is starting selling, so the price will fails down. But when a short time investor starting holding, so the price will pumping up. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends, to the very big bump, very big pump is coming soon. Because my friend, absolutely after a short fails, every coin, my friend, will take a jump. But when a coin will collaborate with companies, so therefore the price will more pumps up. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to upcoming time the price will more increasing. But holders, don't do any mistake and be safe from the loss. If you are starting mistake, my friend, starting selling, so this is very huge mistake. Don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the price is increasing. So don't be, my friends, understand, my friend. If you or someone tell you to, they will absolutely the very big pump is the very big dump is coming soon, and urgently sell it, because this all just in only fake news is, my friend. Don't see, ignore them all, and just in only research personally, Twitter, everywhere, expert, what expert says, just and only try to understand. All right, I just also advise you, please, if you want, my friends, to get a profit now, research personally. See you next time, holder. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.